All right, it is my favorite trip of the year, but we gotta take care of some business first. This has like nothing to do with my favorite trip. This is something else. Now that that's done, it's time to go to Havasu. So yeah, we're ready to go to Havasu. Just gotta tackle that 4-hour drive. It's never fun, but it always seems to go by like a blur. Yes, so we finally got out to Havasu. We're staying with our buddy Sam and Yessie. They got a spot over by Little London Bridge, one of our favorite spots to come in the summertime. It's always fun out here. It's fun for the kids. We go wakeboarding and all that good stuff, but it's my favorite escape of the year, I think, now. Of all the spots in Havasu, the gorge is probably my favorite. It's the coolest. It's at least 10 degrees cooler, and the water is freezing. Is it cold?
No, we swam all the way to that bush up there.
It's fun too because the current's strong, so you can go up and then float back down, but it's definitely one of my most favorite just because of the colors too. You get the contrast of the blue, the green water, and then the red rocks. Just looks awesome. So we cruised up Topak. About the only thing this place is good for is ice cream and gas. Other than that, it's stinky, and I don't think I would ever trust that pool. But you go get your picture on the butt seats. It's always fun.
I just hate ice cream.
changed fast. Sam saw a bunch of dust flying across the lake, and all of a sudden wind picked up. We had to bail. There's a lot of boats that weren't ready for it. We lost the tube. Daniel's got that under control. How you doing, Sam? Good? Sam got us out. Sam's such a great driver. Thank you. Well, time to call it a day and head back to the house and eat dinner, I guess. That was fun though. This weather switched fast on us. Good thing Sam saw that dust. We got out of there because it's only coming quicker. You can see it up against that hill. It's coming fast. So at least we got back to the truck, got back in the boat safely. Hopefully everybody else out there does.
I didn't get this stuff on this side.
That is some hot hair, babe.
What? On your finger? Nothing.
That is why Havasu is my favorite. It was a good time today. You have fun?
Yeah.
You like wakeboarding better or tubing better?
For me, it's wakeboard.
Ooh. Looks like you're on an elliptical. Right here. What? Just sit. Sit.
Sit down.
Happy.
Oh my God.
It says 14.5. So the scary part is 1 year.
Wait, don't touch it. I want to take a picture of it.
And she can get her permit and drive.
And this little bitty, like, it was like almost like they really put this look on the outside, it looks like it's just like you're running down.
Doing a great job.
It's like all, like a $300 coat, like,
Yeah.
I'm all. And they do all these different.
All right, so it's Sunday morning. We just finished watching the World Cup. I think we'll go out on the boat, have a little bit more fun today, just kind of swim around and hang out. That's what good times are all about, right? Definitely think one of the highlights in the good times is watching these little ones grow as it comes to wakeboarding and water skiing and all that stuff. She just got out of the wake last year, had a good face plant. I'll show you that one. And then now she's just going in and out of the wake like it's no big deal. So
Yep.
It's fun to watch them grow.
Well, I mean, like, it's also crazy for me too because, like, we've grown up there. You know what I mean?
Starting on little shore starts on the little like beginner skis. Going from there, and now they're tubing and getting hurt and having fun. And
Maybe we have the painted one.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton, it's hard to believe. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton, it's hard to beat. My lady on me.
Give you $5 if you jump in right there.
I'm good.
I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
What?
Everything you do gives me butterflies.
So this is much more favorable weather than last night. I think Daniel was scared last night. Are you scared?
Are you scared?
You were scared. Not that Daniel.
Oh,
Daniel. You
no,
were
I was scared for my life.
Yeah.
Before my
Did you
eyes.
have fun wakeboarding yesterday?
Huh?
Did you have fun wakeboarding yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tubing or wakeboarding, what's better?
Wakeboarding.
Wakeboarding, really? Wakeboarding or tubing?
Wakeboarding on the way.
Yours like tubing because you threw him off, huh?
Yeah, I like tubing because I get to throw him off. You like,
She punching you back there?
See,
You
no,
can't
you
see
know
she
the
kicking
thing
you?
is I land on top of him, and then he's like, oh no, and then he lets go, and then we hit a bump, and then I go off, and then he goes over.
Is that how you remember it?
Asking for the time. You got it damn right.
What?
Everything you do gives me butterflies. I ask you for the time. You got it damn right. And everything you do gives me butterflies.
So we're just hanging out in Copper Canyon today. Didn't want to do too much wakeboarding and stuff. Kids are tired, and plus we got to head home tonight. But figured we'd come over to Copper Canyon, have some fun. The Halcomb's never been here, so introduce them to some cliff jumping. I think the kids are having some fun. Some people don't like it when we cliff jump, but
Some people don't like when their husband
I never act stupid, ever. Copper Canyon is fun because you got all kinds of points to jump from. You got that spot, you got that spot, you got that spot, and you got that spot. Probably just jump from wherever you want, really. Check the jumping platform. You could jump good, jump out far enough, and there's nothing down below. You swam down, checked it out, you're good to go. Have fun? That's that guy. That guy on that boat. If these guys or anyone that loves me ever let me get to that amount of douche, I hope they let me know. Time to go get the trailer. The fun is over. We gotta clean up, head home, but got it. We had fun. Every time, have fun, non-stop. Love coming out here because we always have a good time. Sam is always a good host and lets us come and enjoy, and the kids always have a blast too, so looking forward, we'll have to come back. Ooh, that was a good shot. Lawn tramps are one of my favorite. It's kind of fun. It's where like a lot of divorces are made. You get the couples that are just arguing and they can't drive the boat on, or someone can't back up a trailer. And I must say though, Tracy and I have it down. Tracy gets that thing on the trailer first time, bam, we're gone. These things you gotta practice, just different things in a relationship to make it work. You gotta work together.
Got it damn right. And everything you do gives me butterflies.
Bye, Halcombs.
Bye.
Are you hot up there, Sam?
Oh, I'm jumping.
Looks kind of hot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll come out and go to a Dodger game, all of us. I told Jesse.
Adios, dude.
See you later.
Time to go home. You guys have fun?
Yep.
Yeah, it's just really burnt.
Oh, it's not that bad. It's part of the fun.
Hey, but you know what? I didn't get burned at all.
You were on top of the sunscreen this time. That's a first.
Very.
You guys always get tan. Yeah, everything's. It's the problem with driving the car is just there's no room. Usually we drive the truck, but oh well. What's wrong?
Why are you bringing the paper out? Well, we got you 5 subjects. This is really cute.
Tried to get her with the wrap, but it didn't work. Where he belongs. Alright, everybody's a little sun drenched. We're good to go. Good times? Have fun? That's what it's all about. Gotta go home though. But we'll be back.